Yeah, baby.
We brought a Tesla. Hey everybody, hey Jim. Here we are, day 2 of the Roadkill zip tie drags. Should be interesting. I think Finnegan and Freiberger are going to be here doing all the announcing for the $3,000 Hoopty Challenge. And I think there's a car show and a swap meet going on. And then we're going to have to take that Tesla P90D out for a little drive and experience what it has to offer. Fun. Well, you know this is near and dear to my heart. Hello. Yeah. Look at this thing.
I'm pulling down the shirt.
Both the competitors and the spectators, thank you so much for that. All right, how about a round of applause for the guys again? We're going big, big.
This is the Tesla P90D in Ludicrous Plus mode. Whoa! Woo! 60, yeah!
Oh my God.
Woo! Whew. Okay.
We should just put that down below.
Wow. Okay. Thanks, Elon.
Oh my God.
Okay.
No, that didn't seem like it was launchy. Did it?
Going on over
I probably didn't do the launch properly.
Although it did make a little ding noise.
Yeah, it's because it said I had both pedals down.
Oh.
I didn't really read how to do the launch. Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
That's not a cop, is it?
I would wait to see if it
Bless you.
Thank you.
doesn't look like a cop.
No.
The cops are in SUVs here.
Not BMWs. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
All right. I like it.
Yep, we need to get one of these.
Yeah.
Okay. That was worth it.
Stop.
Yep.
Okay. Ludicrous mode. Jeez. Okay, here he goes. Oh.